come on in. So this is the balcony room on the Carnival Breeze, and y'all, it's so cute. The first thing I want to show y'all is this couch. So if you have more people in your stateroom, this is their bed. This is the king bed, and it's actually two twins put together. So plenty of space to get up here and just. Then the part you've been waiting for, the balcony. Our room is actually on the 7th floor, so you're gonna have all of it, and then you'll look down, and you actually have two hot tubs, one over here where some kids are in, your lounge chairs, and you can just be sitting out here when you wake up in the morning, or when you just want to come in your room and get away from everybody else and everything else that's going on the boat. You just come out here and chill, have your little drinky drink, and you know, just be out here chilling. But we really wanted to get the balcony room just because we wanted that kind of like getaway relaxation feel, and I'm not mad at it, okay? I probably won't ever do another room that's not a balcony, so you know, better get you one. And so just to show you a little bit more of the actual room, got the bed, the couch, you have a little table here. You do have a TV over here that you can kind of even pivot out if you need to, like when you're laying in the bed.
Well, hey, what's up and howdy, Carnival Breeze family. This is Lawrence, your cruise director. Welcome on board. I hope y'all are ready for a fantastic voyage. Family, now I want to remind you that the captain requests everyone head to their muster station if you have not yet checked in. Yes, this means you, family. We want the fun to get started.
Okay, so yes, you'll have brief announcements reminding you of different things that is going on with the ship. When you get on board, go straight to your muster station. It's going to be on your boarding pass. Go eat, don't go try to get to your room. Go to the muster station, get checked off the list, and then go do whatever you gotta do. So yeah, we have a whole bunch of different compartments. We got our towels and stuff up here. We made like a little medicine cabinet. You got your safe, got our speaker, an extension cord that doesn't have a surge. These are allowed because as you see, there's only these two outlets, and then this one, which is I don't know what it's called, but one of those. We actually got these from Carnival. Some people will have like onboard credit or pre-board credit, and we use the credits to get this and some ginger ale for free. Well, with the credits, but for free. And then we brought on our juices and our wine. We have some storage space. You have like 3 different compartments here that you can put your luggage and take out everything and organize. You got your full body mirror. Okay, who doesn't love a full body mirror? We all do. We be trying to, you know, snap it up. This is another little closet, and it does have some hangers. Life vest on here. Make sure you have your life vest in your room. If you don't, let somebody know ASAP, because that was part of the muster drill. See, I paid attention. We also have an extra cover or a comforter, you know, in case the things get too cold, or if you're someone that's going to be on the couch, then that's your cover. Bathroom. We have the shower. It does have shower gel and shampoo, but if you don't like to use this type of a shower gel shampoo, just bring your own. You are allowed to bring full-size bottles, so it doesn't have to be just the travel size. You can bring big sizes. Plenty of storage space, I feel like, for the bathroom. Like, you got levels for each category that you need, so you can have makeup on one, deodorant, lotion on another, toothpaste, whatever you need. You have one of the mirrors that get up super close on you, scares you sometimes, or you know, just the regular one that we all use every day. But yeah, we got towels galore, and then you'll also have someone that comes and looks at your room and stuff to make sure you have everything you need. I just want to point out this too. For my people that like to hang their stuff over the balcony, this is probably a little bit safer to come and hang it if you just want to attach it right here. And say you can fold over your swimwear or swim trunks, whatever you need to get dry, you can use this instead of putting it outside. I think everything is pretty spacious for it to be on a boat in the middle of the ocean. So I just wanted to show you guys what a balcony room looked like, and hopefully you get one too.